Day one, it's a public holiday, the 1st of May. I'm cycling from Girona to somewhere in the Costa Brava. But where? Come on, find out.
Leave the boring, find the dust. In the gears we place our trust. Single tracks through the pine and shade. Best decision that I've ever made. Wiring ties on a forest floor. Every corner offering something more. Girona city boy goes to the Costa Brava. Heading out deep where the sky stays blue. Past the goats and the ancient stone. In a rhythm of our own. Winding trails and a dusty track.
Welcome to Monells. I'm now approaching the village via Plaça Jaume I. Its main square that's so perfectly preserved, it feels like a film set rather than a village, which is why it starred in the famous movie Eight Catalan Surnames. With its official population of only 175 residents, you would imagine it's rather quiet here, but at weekends especially, it gets very busy with tourists and especially people like me, cyclists.
Belly's a cycling bunch, stone-carved arches and flowers in bloom. Plenty of light and plenty of room. Then pushing on to Palafrugell, a proper ride and a story to tell. No morning queue, no urban noise, just my bike and nature's joys. Climbing high through the cork and pine, everything's feeling just sublime.